In today's video we're gonna visit a spiritual fair, we're gonna do some dinner, we're gonna talk about cameras, we're gonna have a little shopping haul. So come join me, you don't want to miss this day. Come on! So good morning and welcome to another day. Today me and Martina is going to little fair. It's with crystals, soul work, cacao, so it's a kind of a spiritual thing, so really excited for that. It's fun when something like that happened. It's a beautiful little store. So on my way to the fair I did decide to go alongside the river, and it was the most amazing view as always, and did stop watching at some flowers, just enjoying the view. And I also thought I could share with you my outfit of the day. I was really comfy and it was perfect because it was kind of chilly, the wind was pretty heavy, and I really needed that cardigan. A couple of days ago I was on a little event. It was with a soap business. They're making soaps and it's a small business. It's just one woman and her husband helping her. They do the most magic, beautiful soaps. They call Järna tvåleri. So that's a Swedish brand. And I thought I could share with you what I got. Let's open it. First up we got a little goodie bag, and we got this little pumpkin soap was the first thing. It smells amazing, and this was a seasonal little try. Then we also got this little it's a soap for cleaning the dishes, so I'm really excited to try that. So next up was this little soap tray. It's in wood. Let's look here. So this is like spirituality. It also has a little crystal here, and it smells amazing. Look at the shape of the soap. It's beautiful. Then I also got this little soap. It's called Salty Night, and it's a little try-on piece. Last but not least, I got this little lip balm. It's called Puss, or it's like kiss in English. So I'm really excited to try this. This is with the lavender. And it's sustainable. Package is in like paper. So this was my little soap haul. The big one, spirituality, I will have in the shower, and the little one here I will have like a hand washing soap. Then we have the pumpkin. Lily was really excited for this. and then we're going to try the dishwasher soap. So I will let you know later on how this turns out. Is it fine to wash your dishes with this? I'm really excited to try, so let's see. There is so much going on right now, and we just got home from the fair, and then I also went on a meeting with all the houses we have here. We're gonna exchange some plumbing together, but I thought I could share with you. I got this little, it's a Rebecca Campbell, and it's oracle cards with ancient stones. I believe this one is beautiful, like all of her cards, but I'm really looking forward to work with this in this upcoming month. So I really do have some problems with my zoom or autofocus on this little camera, and it feels like it's upset because I'm looking into selling this bad boy, because for me, I love this camera, but it's super heavy, and the newer cameras are much slimmer, much smaller, not so heavy, and they film just as good, or actually better. So I'm in contact with the company. They're gonna buy this with all my gear, with the other lenses, and so really excited for that. So it's coming up. We see how much we need to put between them, but hopefully not too much, because I can get quite good pay for this. So then my camera will be the new one, and also these will be my two main cameras. I do have this, I'm filming them, it's my favorite, but it's getting a little bit tired, so we need to mix it up. But I will come back to you with that update. And while I'm here, let's wrap up this vlog. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. I'm so happy that you are here, and come with me for an amazing ending of this year. We will have so much fun together, and as I always say, have a fabulous day, night or evening, wherever you are. And don't forget to subscribe, maybe like and share this video, and I see you in the next video. So bye bye.